Welcome back. Last time, we mastered advanced styling settings. Did you know you can save hours by setting styles globally? Today, we'll level up with Global Style. We'll explore how PageFly's Global Style can help you set consistent color schemes and typography for your pages effortlessly. By the end, you'll master this feature and speed up your workflow. Let's start with Global Style Overview. To find the Global Style setting, you click on Extra Functions on PageFly Dashboard, choose Manage, Global Style Support, setting for some properties, including color schemes and typography. It also supports some elements here. Next, we will see how to use Global Style to build your page faster. I have the sample page here. Section 1 and 2 have the same style in font, text, color for heading, paragraph, and button also. So instead of editing step by step for each element we'll need to spend more time, we can set up Global Style, then apply Global to it. Let's start with Set up Global Style for the green heading. You can change the name for it. Example, I change it to green heading. I will set up for heading the 3 here. Change the content color to green. I noted the color before, so I will paste the color code to choose it. You can also choose it in the color table. After that, I change the font family and font size. Quite same with the green heading. I will set up the white heading following the same steps. Next, I will edit Global Style for the body text. Select then, change the font family, font size, and color as white and publish the Global Style. For the button, beside Edit Font Family, Font Size, and Text Color, I will change the background color to change color for the button and add padding for it. To make it more attractive, I will add the color change when mouse over. Choose the stage setting, then choose mouse over. After that, choose the new color background you want it will change to when mouse over. Remember to publish after setup. About the image, we choose media and change some border setting. After finish setup, we will apply it in the editor page. If you insert the new element, we can apply the Global Style directly. If you have other style setting, example, I change white color for this heading, it will apply the white color I set. So for the element you set style before that not Global Style, we need apply Global Style and click Reset Value, keep the Global Style only. Let's apply it with my example page here. I have add some elements and edit font size and color before. I will choose green heading for this heading. Reset value to keep the Global Style setting. Choose white heading for this and reset value. Select body text 1 for the paragraph and reset value also. Choose green button style for the button. As you can see, we just choose Global Style, then apply for the elements. For the second section, we can do the same or use copy-paste style feature for the elements have the same. Next, I will apply Media Global Style for images in this section. I have set up and applied to other section below too. Let's check the responsive on other devices. I will adjust some element in mobile view to make it more responsive. Let's save, publish, and check the live view. If you want to hide or show some default section of your Shopify theme, we can go to the theme editor in PageFly setting, then tick on the eye icon on that section to hide or show it. We have a list of free templates that you can use to build your page. You can create your page by template here. There are a lot of free templates for you to choose. If you want to use the full template that have same section in this video, you can choose Kitchen Crafter's template. So in this video, we have an overview about Global Style, how to set up and apply it when building your page. Let's start using Global Style with PageFly now. In our next video, we'll show you how to create stunning variant swatches in PageFly. It is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to get more helpful video.